10 benefits of parsley. Parsley is a small herb with dark green leaves that is popularly used as a garnish to different soups and dishes due to its fragrant aroma being emitted by its flavorful leaves. However, not many people know that this little green herb does not only offer a delicious taste and fresh twist to our dishes, but this very popular herb also contains invaluable healing properties and numerous medicinal benefits. What is nutrition found in parsley? This little green herb may be small, but it is very big in nutrition. Parsley contains high level of vitamin A, vitamin B9, vitamin B12, vitamin K, and beta-carotene. It is also rich in calcium, iron, antioxidants, and various essential oils. Here are 10 benefits of parsley. 1. Fights cancer. Studies reveal that the essential oil of parsley contains myristicin, an organic compound that does not only prevents the formation of lung tumors but also activates glutathione S transferase enzyme that help fight oxidized molecules. Myristicin also assists in fighting prostate and colon cancers by neutralizing carcinogens, such as benzopyrene in smokes of cigarettes. 2. Rich in antioxidants. Parsley has been found to be rich in various antioxidants, such as lutein, a flavonoid that eliminates free radicals in the body. It also removes toxins from the body and encourages carbohydrate metabolism. The high level of zeaxanthin found in parsley prevents macular degeneration, an eye disease caused by aging. Vitamin C is the chief water-soluble antioxidant of the body, which helps reduce the risks of various conditions, such as atherosclerosis, colon cancer, diabetes, and asthma. 3. Effective inflammatory agent. Parsley contains lutein and vitamin C that is an effective anti-inflammatory agent of the body. Regularly eating parsley helps prevent inflammatory illnesses, such as rheumatoid arthritis, osteoarthritis, arthritis, and certain types of cancers. Likewise, applying parsley to areas with insect bites reduce inflammation. 4. Strengthens the immune system. Parsley has high levels of vitamin C, vitamin B12, and beta-carotene that boosts the immune system of the body and protects it from colds, cough, and other infections. It also keeps bones and teeth healthy, and assists the body to repair wounds quickly. Parsley is also rich in beta-carotene, which the body converts to vitamin A, that aids the body in fighting infection and ensures better vision. Vitamin A also strengthens the lining of the eyes and mucous membranes as well as respiratory, intestinal, and urinary tracts. Likewise, vitamin A also produces white blood cells that destroy viruses and bacteria. 5. Strengthens bones. Parsley is a nutritious organic food that is rich in vitamin K. 2 tablespoons of parsley contains 153% RDA of vitamin K, which makes our bones stronger and prevents buildup of calcium in our tissues that may result to stroke, atherosclerosis, and other cardiovascular disease. Vitamin K also plays an important role in healing Alzheimer's disease by regulating the neuronal damage in the brain. 6. Removes gallstones. Parsley contains oxalic acid that cleanses and boosts the kidneys. Drinking a pint of parsley tea every day helps in dissolving gallstones and kidney stones. Parsley tea can also be taken with boiled onions or juniper berries. To prepare parsley tea, boil a liter of water and steep 2 sprigs of parsley for about 10 to 15 minutes. Add lemon or honey. Parsley tea can be taken hot or cold. 7. Wards off cardiovascular diseases. Researches showed that parsley contains vitamin B9, also known as folate, which protects the body from cardiovascular diseases, such as atherosclerosis, heart attack, and stroke. Vitamin B9 also remove homocysteine in the body, hence, keeping the heart healthy. It is also known that parsley contains the highest level of potassium that helps control blood pressure and heart rate by reversing the effects of sodium. 8. Eliminates strong mouth odor. Parsley is a wonderful natural breath freshener that eliminates the pungent smell in the mouth. Drinking parsley juice or nibbling parsley leaves after eating foods that have intense odor, such as garlic or onion, can assist in releasing the strong mouth odor. 9. Remedy for anemia. The natural health technique reported that parsley fights anemia because it contains high concentration of iron. Therefore, consuming parsley regularly helps build up the iron level in the body. Furthermore, patients who have trouble taking iron supplements are advised to drink parsley juice. 10. Relieves menstrual pain. Studies revealed that parsley can be beneficial to women as it helps prevent breast cancer, promotes delayed menstruation and relieves premenstrual pain. Sprigs of parsley are used as vaginal insert to relax the cervix and trigger menstruation. Warning: pregnant women are advised to limit the consumption of parsley because it may cause uterine contraction, which may result to abortion and premature birth. Parsley juice should also be reduced to 1 or 2 ounces a day. Moreover, using parsley oil should be done with the supervision of a medical practitioner as it may cause toxic effect. Similarly, patients with problems on gallbladder and kidneys are not recommended to consume parsley.